Hello and welcome to Williamsport PA Apartments, where we take pride in offering high quality and spacious apartments for rent. Today I'm taking you on a virtual tour of a fully renovated third floor apartment at 938 Sheridan Street. Entering the front door of this third floor apartment, we make our way into the roomy living room and dining room space. This unit is 750 square feet total with all new carpeting and luxury vinyl tile flooring. Here's our galley kitchen. This kitchen is all new. New fridge and stove, countertops, cabinets. There's also a dishwasher and a microwave included in this unit, in addition to a large storage pantry. Now let's take a closer look at the living room balcony. You have a nice sliding door, as well as a screen door, and it leads out onto the balcony with a nice view from the front of the building. Making our way back inside, let's go check out the fully renovated bathroom. This room features a new vanity and countertop, mirrored medicine cabinet, modern lighting, as well as a new tub and shower surround, toilet, and flooring. Right across the hall is the laundry closet with new washer and dryer and storage above. And here's the hall closet for linens and additional storage. And here we have the smaller secondary bedroom, which is roughly 100 square feet. It would make a really nice home office or workout space. This room has a closet for additional storage space. Last on our tour is the 155 square foot primary bedroom with large bifold closet and overhead fan and light. Thanks so much for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at williamsportpaapartments.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. We hope you choose our apartments to be your new home.